Okay, example number 3. Now this one says, investigate the equation y equals 2x minus 1. Okay? And the last one, let's see, what was the equation of the last one? Y equals 7 minus a half x. Okay? In this one, the equation is y equals 2x minus 1. What's the first thing, think back to the last example, what's the first thing that I want to write down on my piece of paper? Sarah?
Your t-chart.
My t-chart, or my table of values, right? I'm going to put it right here. What goes right here? Raise your hand if you can tell me what goes right there. Truman? X goes right there. And what goes opposite the X? Kate?
Y.
Y. Good. Now let me ask you, looking at the instructions, what do they want us to use for the X's? Bolton?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
And 7?
7.
And 7. Excellent. Now we need to fill in our chart. How do I do that? How do I find out what Y goes right there? Does anyone know how I'm supposed to do that? Mo? I'm going to use the equation. It says that Y is equal to 2 times, not X, but what does X equal in this first one, Mo? It equals 1, and then it's minus 1. Bless you, Connor. All right. So, Mo, what do I do first?
Multiply 2.
And that gives me 2 minus 1. All right, so I get 2 minus 1, and that gives me 1. Excellent. Perfect. Devin, you want to do the next one for me?
Yes.
Y equals?
2 parentheses over 2.
Oh, over 2. Wait, 2 what?
Parentheses and 2.
2 inside, good.
And then minus 1.
Got it. Now what do I do first, Devin?
Multiply 2 times 2.
And that gives us?
4.
And then what?
And then it's 3.
And 4 minus 1 is 3. Beautiful. Bolton, you want to do the next one for me?
Sure.
All right, what is it?
Y equals 2, and then parentheses 3,
Yes, sir?
minus 1.
Got it. What do you do first, Bolton?
Multiply 2 and 3,
And what do I get?
6, minus 1,
And that is?
5.
Awesome. Does anyone see a pattern developing? Good. Let me ask you this. Can I just use that pattern, or do I need to show my work tonight?
Sure.
There you go. Okay, but what is the pattern? Raise your hand. Joanna? Plus 2 each time. So who can tell me what's the next one when X is 4? M&M? 7. When X is 5? Truman? 9. When X is 6? Sarah?
11.
11. When X is 7? Connor?
13.
13. How many points, T, am I going to have on my graph?
7.
7 points. All right. Let me draw my coordinate plane here. Let me ask you this. What's the highest the Y's need to go, Sean?
13.
13. So you know what, Sean? I may actually make each one of these little things count for 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All right, so then the second one would be 4, right? And then 8, and then 12, and then, let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16. All right, that'll help us. Do you see that? I changed the scale. Each little dash counts for 2. Okay. Well, that means that I'm going to do each little dash down here, counting for 2. That's going to be 4, and that's 8. Do I need to even do any more?
Yes.
What's the biggest X that I need?
13.
Biggest?
I mean 7.
7. So do I need to do any more? That's it. All right. Who's going to help me plot this first point? First point plotting. Ashley. Oh, you know what? Hang on, Ashley. We'll start you off when we get to the next video.